AMD looks interesting, right? Bullish engulfing candle, bouncing off of midline. Certainly looks like it has room towards that top line, right? Call it even that 110 area. Sorry, 110.60 area. So really good risk reward profile here, right? You got 25 cents for $1 up. I like the look of this a lot. Be looking at the 110 calls. 110 calls. Okay, so fake out to the upside, right? Came back, made a lower low. I am interested here, guys. Sizing, 30 cents, right? So it's not bad. Still getting 3-to-1 risk reward on those 110 calls. You're looking at about a 15% stop loss here, maybe even a little bit less. So I'm absolutely interested in this. Going 2/3 position sizing here. Above that 85. Oh. All right, so if we make a higher high, I will be in. All right, guys, I'm in. Average price 246.1. 246.1. Okay, good initial pop here, right? Good initial pop. Let's see if this thing can keep giving us a little bit of follow through. First take profit, probably around that 260, maybe a little bit higher. See how this thing keeps going, but not bad shape here so far, guys. Not bad shape here so far. Okay, looking good here, right? Looking good here, guys. So first take profit's going to be 260. I'm going to take off 1/5 of my position there if I can get a fill. And then go entry protection mode and see if we can keep running this thing up. There we go, guys. Locked in a little bit of profit there at that 260. Now my stop loss on my remainder here is going to be at 250 stop loss. 250 stop loss here on my remainder. And let's see if this thing can keep running up. But good shape here on this AMD. Let's see if this thing can turn into a nice win here all of a sudden. Let's go, guys, right? Let's go. Good patience here. Fantastic patience. So let's see if this thing can pump up for us, right? Next take profit going to be around that 270 area. And I'll take off another original 1/5. See if we did enough to survive that pullback here and then keep running this thing up. But in not bad shape here, guys. Not in bad shape here with this AMD. Hopefully a few of you guys are in this as well. And it's turning into a nice little day. Well, it can turn into, right? If it can. Let's see if it can. Okay, looks like we've probably done enough here, right? So let's see if this thing can now give us that higher high and that continuation breakout. Stop loss still that 250 area here on my remainder. Like I said, guys, I'm going to take off another 1/5 of my position here. Original 1/5 of my position. If we're able to touch 270 on these calls. So hopefully we can get there, right? Hopefully we can get there and keep running this thing up. Be more aggressive with my stop loss here, guys. Stop loss is at 255. Stop loss is at 255. Trying to take some more off here at this 270. I'm just still a little bit, I don't know, you want to call it PTSD from getting head faked so often, right? Let's call it that. Where it's just a little bit still. I just don't trust that we're going to get that easy follow through, and I'd rather protect, right? So if we can keep getting a bit of action, so be it. It'd be fantastic. But if it gives back and it sells off, I'm not letting myself lose money here. Okay, so we're going to try to take off a little bit more here, right? 2 cents away. So let's see if we can get this thing to give me that fill. And then hopefully we can keep getting a little bit of luck and a little bit of further follow through past that 270 target. Might have jinxed it, but let's see if we can get a chance here. All right, there we go, guys. Locked in a little bit more profit there on this AMD. Let's go, right? This is turning into a nice play here all of a sudden. Stop loss on my remaining 3/5 is going to be at 265. Being very aggressive with how I'm managing this. 265 on my remainder. And let's see if this thing can keep kind of running up here for us. But in good shape here, guys. Really, really good shape. Cannot let this turn into a losing trade here all of a sudden. Let's go. So now, next take profit target is going to be that 280 area. So we take a little bit more off at that 280. I'll be left with, about 2/5 of my original position here, right? So next take profit here, target is this 280. See if I can get there. And then, like I said, just keep pushing my stop loss up. And let's see if we can keep getting a bit of follow through here. But turning into a very nice little session, almost 1% on the day here. Good recovery, everyone, right? Really good patience, really good diligence. Way to not get too frustrated. And let's see if we can keep getting some profit here. So locked in a little bit more there on this AMD at that 280. Now stop loss on my remaining 2/5 is going to be at 275 on my remainder, and let's see if this thing can keep running up. But in really good shape. Average price 246, current price 285. So let's go, guys. Hopefully a few of you are in this as well and turning into a very nice little day. Been a very busy trading session here, right? But very, very nice that we're finally getting a little bit of follow through, finally getting a little bit of pop. And now these contracts, right, are testing 290. So I'm going to take off another 1/5 of my original position here at this 290 and sort of be left with 1/5 here to kind of run this thing up for kind of forever, but not really in a rush to be greedy or to give anything away. It's a good size position turning into a very nice size win. So let's not force anything, right? Let's not overtrade. Let's not do anything stupid. Let's not get greedy, right? Really, really nice win. And let's not get carried away thinking it's going to run up forever. So locking in, trying to lock in some more here at this 290 if I can. And then see if we keep getting a bit of follow through past that. But basically trying to take some off every 5% up, right? And just keep kind of protecting myself and locking in a nice win. So hopefully if you guys are in this, congratulations if you are. And let's keep crushing it. There we go, guys. Locked in a little bit of profit again at that 290. Stop loss here on my remainder is now going to be at this 280. And let's see if this thing can keep going and see if we can get a really big pop here throughout this power hour. But don't need to do anything else besides watch this play here now. And let's see if we can get a really big follow through here all of a sudden. Right? Up almost 30% on this name. Right? So good job, everyone. And let's keep crushing it. Did anyone else catch this AMD here with me? Have you found the cheers, man? Have you found any found the new confirmation setup alerts reasonable? I know you had some thoughts about it on Friday, so I'm not sure if you've seen the new system. Sorry if it's works for you, if it kind of catches your eye. But do you guys have any feedback about the confirmation alerts and then the setup alerts? Any issues here, guys? Let's go, right? AMD still flying up here, guys. Still flying up. Let's go. So I was going to push my stop loss up here now. 290 stop loss, 290 stop loss. Let's see if this thing can keep running. Perfect. Guys, I'm closing the rest of my position here at this 293. So I'm now out of AMD, completely out of the position. I just didn't really like what I'm seeing sort of in some of the other leading names. So Tesla starting to break down here a little bit, right? Starting to maybe break its back just a tad. Indexes are struggling to kind of give us that follow through. So I'm not going to get greedy here to kind of run this thing up. Very happy to have locked in, 30% on that play and have a nice little green day here, right? Very, very busy session today. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for 6, right? So not bad. 4 for 6, I'll take it. But a lot of chop, a lot of frustration. And actually 4 for 7, right? Took 2 stabs at that QQQ. And yeah, hopefully that means nicer times ahead here. But good to be back on track. 1.2% on the day. And 0 complaints there.